wheel ski, bro. Yo gang, what is up? It's your boy Laz, aka MotoBroo, and as you see behind me, we have a freaking front flip loop, some sort of dirt bike going on / Supermoto. It's a 250. Just peep this out real quick. The homie Twin Stunts.
What up?
Both of them, they're twins, as you guys know. There's one twin. There's two. So let's go. Yeah, we're about to do some front flips on this dirt bike, or I guess it's a sumo. It's not a dirt bike, but
yeah, it's a WR250, so technically a sumo, right?
Yeah, technically a sumo. Right. They're probably gonna try to get me to do it, but I don't know. I want to see them do it. I want to see how hard or easy it looks, but I feel like it's gonna be hard.
I mean, if it tells you anything, I've never even flipped it, and I'm the professional, and it's my bike, so
Wait, so this is your bike, and you never flipped it?
Well, I mean, we'll just call this one of my brothers, you know? This is not my bike.
I guess you guys are twins, so it's like...
We all have our talents. Everyone's like, who's the better rider? So this is the DOT seatbelt, everybody. Gonna show you that.
That's a seatbelt, bro?
Yeah, that's a seatbelt. So once you're in, you're in.
It has a seatbelt?
Yeah, it's a real ride. There ain't no getting off this roller coaster.
Oh my god. Oh my god, what a freaking goon, bro. What a goon out here. He ain't gonna do it. A little wheel ski, bro. He's getting close. He's warming that brake up right now, if you guys are wondering what he's doing. Oh my god! He just did it! What the hell? Dude, you make it look so easy.
Too easy.
Way too easy.
Yeah, I literally just... I could like, it would be sick if you did a no-hander. I'll do one this time. I'll take the lefty off. Yeah? You should, that'd be sick. There's no reason I need the left hand.
I think he's about to do like no hands or one hand off while in the loop, which is just freaking gnarly. Let's go!
I pulled the bars to the right as soon as I let go. I was like, oh, that's not going to be the way we want to land that.
Get it? Let's go! You see that slide?
I was like, he's going really fast at the sand sideways.
Bro!
I was like, I'm pretty sure there's sand. Did I try that thing with the slicks?
Yeah. Huh? Woo! Bro, I'm riding the loop bike right now. Yes, sir. Bro, this is so weird just having this like around me.
Doesn't it feel a little weird? It's like a little top head.
Yeah, it sort of. It feels weird, but.
It's like once it like goes straight, it just goes straight.
Yeah, but if you wheelie, will it scrape that if you go too far?
Yeah, it'll hit it and just kind of burn.
This? Okay. All right, I'm gonna try. I just want to wheelie it.
Yeah, wheelie it, dude.
Oh man, this is the craziest thing I've ever done in my life, dude. Bro, I feel like it's gonna hit my head. That Supermoto is a little wavy, bro. Take a little break real quick. That thing is a whole beast, bro.
It's a lot.
Holy. Yes, sir. So you about to go for no hander or just the one hands?
I think we were gonna. When we already did one, so we kind of have to go two.
That's what I'm thinking too, bro. That's
Like,
what I'm thinking.
I don't know. That'd be like lame to do another one.
All right, here he goes.
Slow her down.
Twin stunts out here, really twinning it up.
Yeah, this is not my job today.
It's your other twin
We gotta
job.
do a new trick eventually, so here we go. You know what I mean?
That was it right there, dude.
Yeah, that's it.
Let's get it. Oh, we're about to go no hands. No hand. Ah, you were right there. He was right there, so close. Bro, I swear, if he just commits on that, he got the perfect amount of time and everything just to no hand that ting. Bro, he did it! Let's get it! That's crazy. That's the first time he's ever done that?
I don't think anyone's ever done that, to be honest.
What?
Unless like it was on accident and their hands like ripped off.
Oh,
You
yeah.
know?
What the hell,
Yeah, I
man?
don't think anyone's ever done a no-handed front flip on a street, on a, you know, one of these.
Bro, so that might be a world first,
Yeah,
no-handed front flip. Bro, he got it dialed now though, like.
It's fully extended. We just used to the world's first. Hands like this.
Let's go, bro. World's first.
Oh, that felt like I should go. No, you got it. I felt like I needed more extension. Nah, you're done. It looks like you're just working on show practice now.
You gotta raise them stunt show prices now, bro. Doing them no-handed fronties.
So I'm gonna have to renegotiate all my emails I have sent.
Yeah, start negotiating.
Smells YALL, but I wasn't sure.
I hope to do flips like a circus
Oh.
contraption.
Uh-huh. Okay. Here with this? How's
Sorry, could we do one? Sorry, I think you should throw a front flip right here for the folks.
Yeah, throw it. Yo, it's so crazy because like he was saying anywhere he goes, people will come up to him and ask him like, yo, like does it do front flips, back flips? Like what's going on with it? Because it just looks so crazy in the back of the truck. So like, I've seen just so many people just looking at like, yo, what is that? All the kids coming out. You're gonna do a front flip right now. You about to shred. Hey, what do you think of that? Crazy?
Yeah.
Yeah,
definitely crazy.
That's crazy. Let's go! Oh my god!
Bikes in the rig too.
You got hella bikes in here already though, bro.
I know it.
Look at all these things.
So that's the tent.
This is
drift
a bolt.
bike, the bolt. That was what he was talking about earlier.
Yeah.
Hey, you two, shush. This is the boys right here, twin stunts, baby.
Stunts, bro.
Established in 2015.
Let's go. Alrighty gang, that's the end of today's video. As you've seen, this freaking front flip bike is insane. Remember to check out Twin Stunts. I'll have their link in the description down below. They're fellow YouTubers, and as you can see, they're doing crazy things. So we got merch in the description also. I freaking love you. Till next time gang, peace.